So hi guys, my name is Nurul Atika binti Abdurrahim. So today I would like to teach you guys how to clean the table fan step by step with an easy way. Since table fans are not within immediate viewing scope, so it is easy to neglect cleaning them on a regular basis. Not to mention, when the fan is turned on, there is no way you can see the amount of dust that has accumulated on each blade. Despite those factors, it is important to clean your table fan on a consistent basis because it has a significant impact on our health. So, when a dirty and dust-ridden fan circulates the air in your home, you then become susceptible to breathing in polluted particles. So, clean table fans are especially critical in homes with family members who suffer from the allergies. So, get in the habit of cleaning the table fans in your home. The process is very simple and will ensure that your fans last as long time as well.
Turn the unit to the off position. Unplug electrical fans. Using the appropriate type of screwdriver, loosen the screws holding the wire housing in place. Many fans also have clips that hold the wire mesh in place. Remove those as well. You may find that the rear wire housing is held onto the motor housing by a heavy-duty nut and cannot be removed until the blades have been removed. Be sure to keep all of the screws and the small parts in a small container so that they don't get lost. Most oscillating fans have a blade cap that holds the fan blades to the motor housing. Unscrew the cap on the front and remove the blade. Place the wire housing and the blades of the fan in a large sink. Spray thoroughly with the dishwashing liquid mixture. Wait a couple of minutes so the dishwashing liquid can cut through the green. Then, use a microfiber cloth to wipe down every surface. Rinse every component well with cool water. Use a dry microfiber cloth to dry every component. Place the parts in a breezy, sunny area to air dry for at least 30 minutes. Each piece should be totally dry before reassembling the fan. While the fan is disassembled, clean the remaining components as you would during weekly cleaning. Pay particular attention to the area where the blade attached. Remembering the order the fan was disassembled, start with the last piece removed and reattach it to the motor base. There should be no small parts left over after a proper reassembly. That's it for me. Thank you.